Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you NitroSense Chipset Driver update failed. Here's how you can fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in Acer NitroSense download. So once you do that, here you'll find the Acer community link, that is community.acer.com. Simply click on that link. Now once you click on that link, here you will be sent to the Acer community page. Now all you gotta do is scroll down, and then on the number 1 you'll find the visit the Acer drivers and manual site. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here you'll be sent to the Acer's drivers and manual site. Now once you are here, what you need to do is enter in your device serial number or SNID or model number, and then hit enter. Now once you do this, here if your model number is right, all you gotta do is scroll down, and then under applications, here you'll find the NitroSense file. Now all you gotta do is select the latest one and click on download, and once you download it, here you'll be seeing the NitroSense downloaded file right here. All you gotta do is open it and then open up the file. Then here you'll find the setup. Simply click on setup and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully set up by clicking yes. And here all you gotta do is click on next, simply click on install, and once that's done, that will update the Acer Nitro's chipset. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.